took the sales execution workshop with David Hill today, and it was awesome.
I actually flew in from Chicago to be on this workshop.
Learning about the sales process is right up my alley. Thank you so much, David. This was a lot of fun.
I took away so much information today, the knowledge, things you think you already know, but he just has you think in different ways.
Great information, great stuff about putting your sales process in place.
I learned about some things that I could be doing way better at and some things that I just completely forgot ever existed.
It was excellent. I've taken it before on Zoom, but I loved it even more in person. I learned so many more skills. I feel like my sales skills are much sharper.
You get better results and really listening and getting an understanding of what the people that you're serving need, and so you can better serve their need.
It's money well spent. Guarantee if you go through the program, you'll increase your sales.
Yes, you'll elevate your game.
Definitely, I would recommend it.
I would recommend it highly.
100%.
Oh my God, hell yeah.
I would say take it twice.
Your business will go from here to here, I guarantee it.